Hi, and today we are still looking at box and whisker plots, but right now we're going to start with the stem and leaf diagram. And so let's try to read the stem and leaf diagram first. So this stem 1 and this leaf 1 means the number is 11, and then 1 and 2 means the number is 12. So if I were to just write down all the data points, 1, 1, so let's start with the first data point is 11, and then there is 12, and then 13. And then the stem 2 with the leaf 3, so that's 23. And you can see I have two 3s over here. That means I have two data points that are both 23, 24, 25. And you note that because it's a stem and leaf diagram, it's already arranged in ascending order from the smallest number to the biggest number. And so we just write down all the data points. We have two 44s, yep. And we have two 45s. And then we have 51, 51. And I'm just going to change color over here so you can see it. And another 51, 55, 56. Yep. And so that's all the data points. Notice we have three 51s, and so we have three 51s here. Okay. And then now we apply our knowledge to find the box, or to create the box and whisker plot. And so once again, we look at first our smallest data point and biggest data point, and then we just try to create that. Since the smallest one is 11, I'm just going to start at 10. The biggest one is 56, I'm just going to end at 60, so I'm just going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And so 10, so 11 is going to be somewhere here. This is 11. And 56 is somewhere here. Once again, this is really just a sketch. In the question, they should give you like a grid that you can actually very precisely find the number 56. Okay, and so now let's try to find the median. We need to find the median. So we have, how many points do we have? We have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21. So if you think about it, if I have 21 data points, the middle one, there should be 10 points on each side, and my 11th, right? And there should be 1 point in the middle, which is the 11th point. So let me pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so 36. So that is my median. So I'm just going to draw it here. A line. This is 36. And then we try to find the upper quartile. So this is all in the upper half. And we see that there is how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, there are 10 points as we expected. So the middle point here, the middle of the upper half, which is my upper quartile, it therefore has to be in between the 5th and 6th points, right? Because you see, this is my middle point. Then you want 5 points here and 5 points here to make 10 points. And so this in between point is in between the 5th and 6th one. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in between here, this is my upper quartile. Right, so let me find upper quartile is therefore 51 plus 45 over 2, which gives me 48. So 48, once again, remember this is a sketch. If they do give you a grid, then you should measure it properly. Right, and then we look here for the lower half, and once again, it should also be in between, because you want 5 points here and 5 points here to make up 10 points. So this must be in between the 5th and 6th point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over here between 23 and 24, this is my lower quartile, and so I can say my lower quartile is 23 plus 24 over 2, 23.5. So I come here and I say this is 23.5, and I just link this up into a box, This is my box and whisker diagram. Box and whisker plot.